Use the substitution u is x plus 2 to find a given integral. The first step is we consider du dx. It's just a derivative, so we can see it's just 1. Then we solve for dx and we can see that it's just du over 1 or du. And then we need to represent this integral in terms of u only. And you can see that x cubed becomes, x is u minus 2, so it becomes u minus 2 cubed. X plus 2 it's u, so it's u squared in the denominator, and dx becomes du. And it is equal to, we can see that there are powers of u, and we know that we can integrate if it is represented as u to some power plus u to another power and so on. So u must be alone and in numerator, except of one situation when it's integral 1 over u du, it's ln. For all other situation, u to the power n du, it's u to the power n plus 1 over n plus 1, and in general plus some constant. So we can open parentheses and we can see it's of the form a plus b cubed, and we can apply binomial formula a plus b cubed, and you can take coefficients from Pascal's triangle or directly from combinations. So it looks like combination 0 out of 3a cubed b to the power of 0 plus combinations 1 out of 3a squared b to the power of 1 plus combinations 2 out of 3a to the power 1b squared plus combinations 3 out of 3a to the power of 0 b cubed, and coefficients are 1 1 2 1 1 3 3 1 1. It's for the power of 3, and it becomes combination 0 out of 3, it's 1, so it becomes a cubed plus combinations 1 out of 3, it's 3a squared b plus combinations 2 out of 3, it's also 3 a b squared plus 1 b cubed. And since it's u minus 2, it should be considered as u plus negative 2 cubed, and it becomes divided by u squared, so it's a cubed, so it's u cubed plus 3 a squared, so 3u squared times negative 2, so it's negative 6u squared plus 3u negative 2 squared plus 12u plus b squared plus negative plus b cubed plus negative 2 cubed, so negative 8 du. And we can divide each term by u squared, hence it becomes u minus 6 plus 12 over u minus 8 over u squared du. And now it can be integrated. It becomes u, integral of u, it's u squared over 2 minus 6 integral of constant, it's just constant multiplied by u, so it's minus 6u. How to check? If you take a derivative, it must be negative 6. You know that x derivative or u derivative, it's 1, so it's correct. Plus 1 over u, it's only one special case when it's ln. For all other powers, you apply rule for powers, so it's plus 12 ln of the absolute value of u minus u must be in numerator, so it should be considered as minus 8 u to negative 2. Negative 2 plus 1, it becomes u to negative 1 and divided by negative 1. And minus minus plus, and u to negative 1 can be written as u in the denominator, so it becomes plus 8 over u and plus some constant is equal to. And we write again x plus 2 for you to get finally the answer in terms of x. So it becomes x plus 2 squared over 2 minus 6x plus 2 plus 12 ln x plus 2, the absolute value, plus 8 over x plus 2 plus a constant. If it's definite integral, if there are limits, you should also get limits in terms of u, and then at this step you substitute limits in terms of u and just calculate. Or you can write here just u1, u2, and when you get the answer in terms of x, you substitute limits here in terms of x and calculate. So it's the answer, and that's all for this question.